In this video, we'll show you how to use Arduino to control a servo motor. Let's start with the assembly. The connection is almost always the same, and is made with 3 wires, of which here are the main colors you'll see. Red, power supply wire, to be connected to the Arduino's 5-volt pin. Brown, wire to connect to the GND pin of the Arduino. Yellow, position signal wire to be connected to the number 1 digital pin of the Arduino. Now let's write the code to test the servo by sweeping an angular range in one direction and then the other. First, include the servo library to manipulate the servo motor. Next, create a servo object to control the servo motor. Then attach the servo motor to the pin 1 digital terminal. Finally, move the arm from 0 to 180 degrees. The servo motor is now positioned at an angle of 0 degrees. It moves to 180 degrees, and we return to step 1. Connect the Arduino board's connector to a USB port on your computer. Select the board. Then click the Upload button to compile and upload your sketch to the Arduino board.